Hello everyone! In this video series, I'll introduce you to the essential resources for learning and developing game programming using Unity. This includes Unity assets for characters, environments, animations, stunning effects, supporting tools, and more, helping you build games for mobile, websites, PC, and so on, in a realistic and visually appealing manner. In this video, we'll focus on the top combat animations with weapons, such as fighting stances of samurai, ninja, grim reapers, warriors wielding dual swords, or a knight proficient in sword and shield. On the current screen, there is a samurai character with combat animations showcasing various graceful stances. Combining with some effects on the sword will make the animations more vivid. Next up is the portrayal of another iconic figure in Japanese culture, the ninja. They are known for their diverse array of weapons, such as shuriken, ninja swords, kusarigama, kunai, short swords, and so on. With these animation assets, you'll save a lot of time when building characters in your game, while still keeping them incredibly dynamic, with various movement and combat stances. Continue with the portrayal is the character of the Grim Reaper wielding a scythe. Here, I'm getting a bit unconventional by making this character a beautiful and seductive female Grim Reaper. When building a character, feel free to unleash your creativity and let your imagination soar. These combat animations are also quite exciting, with fighting stances both in mid-air and on the ground, true to the style of a genuine Reaper. Now, we have a character of a large and powerful warrior with a rather unique weapon. This character wields a pair of swords combined into one long greatsword, with both ends capable of dealing high damage. This package includes 27 combat animations, as well as numerous movement animations, such as running and jumping, adding richness to your character. I quite like combining weapons with effects. Here, I've combined fire and ice effects for each end of the greatsword. And finally, we have a character with combat and movement animations that I quite fancy. It's the knight, often associated with medieval England. The ancient castles with kings reigning on the throne, sworn to protect by the Knights of the Round Table. This package includes over 200 combat animations combining sword and shield. Wow, I think with such a large number of animations, it's quite impressive, enough for you to unleash your creativity in character building for your game. Now, let's take a look at a few animations from this vast collection. All the animations in this video were tested on Unity version 2023.18F1. This is considered one of the latest official releases of Unity, so you can rest assured about their compatibility with newer Unity versions. All the animations used in this video, as well as many other resources covering various character types, effects, environments, supporting tools, and animations of different genres, are available for exploration and game development on the Unity platform. You can find them on the website in the description of this video. Feel free to explore and choose the resources that suit your needs. I'll end this video over here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any new videos. See you in the next videos.